Question number 106. Select the incorrect statement. Endosperm of gymnosperms is haploid. It is correct that the endosperm of gymnosperms is haploid as it is formed before fertilization. So the female gametophyte of gymnosperms is also called endosperm, which is haploid. Second one, sequoia is one of the tallest trees. It is also correct. Third one, gymnosperms are seeded archegoniates. Yes. Why archegoniates? Because they have archegonia and they produce seeds. So they are seeded archegoniates. Fourth one, fucus being algae shows haplontic life cycle. No. Fucus shows diplontic life cycle. Although it is true that most of the algae, especially green algae, they show haplontic type of life cycle. So this is incorrect. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move to the next question. Question number 107. Choose the correct option for the given two plant cells. Here two plant cells are shown. You have to choose the correct option regarding the question. Now, before moving to the options, we should see that here psi w will be -4 and here psi w will be psi s plus psi p, that is -7 plus 1, that is -6. For cell A, the psi w is -4, whereas for cell B, the value of psi w will be -6. Water moves from high water potential to the low water potential. The value -4 is high, then the -6. So the water will move from cell A to cell B. Cell A has high water potential as compared to the cell B. Now, see the options. Cell B has maximum water potential. What is the maximum water potential? It is the 0, whereas cell B has water potential which is -6. So this is incorrect. Third one, osmotic potential of cell A will be positive. Osmotic potential is psi s. Psi s will be positive for the cell A. No, it is not possible. If psi w is -4, it's a solution, and for solutions, psi s cannot be positive. It is always negative. So this is incorrect. Fourth one, cell A must have more solutes than the cell B. It is also incorrect. If cell A would have more solutes than cell B, then its psi w will be lower as compared to cell A, but it is not the case. So option number 4 is incorrect. Second one, movement of water will take place from cell A to B. It is correct because psi w of cell A is higher as compared to the cell B. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move to the next question. Question number 108. What is true about girdling experiment conducted by Malfaghi? Girdling experiment demonstrates that the food translocating tissue is the phloem, and phloem translocates food in unidirectional, that is from leaves to the roots. What was done in the girdling experiment? If this is the tree and these are the roots of the tree, then bark was removed. And what is bark? Bark is all tissues outside the vascular cambium. It means it includes phloem also. So phloem was also removed. So phloem was also removed from here. Now, the food which was synthesized by the leaves, upper part of the tree, this food cannot go down as the tissue which translocates food is removed when the bark was removed. So this food accumulates over here, and these roots, they do not get the food. Initially, because roots have their own food, the roots can do their function and they can transport water to the upper part of the tree. But after a while, when they don't get food, the roots die first. And when root die, they cannot translocate the water, and then shoot dies. Now see the options. This experiment proves that translocation of food by phloem is multidirectional. No. It was shown that it is unidirectional from the upper part of the tree, that is from shoot to the root. But now we know that phloem translocation is multidirectional, but at that time it was not reported. Second, it shows that in xylem, movement of water is unidirectional. There was no talk of xylem translocation. Fourth one, in a girdled plant, the shoot dies first. No, the root dies first. Third option, initially the upward movement of water was not affected. True, because as long as roots are present over here, these roots can translocate the water, and then upward movement of water was not affected initially, but once the root die, the movement of water is affected. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move to the next question. Question number 109. Thiobacillus is a group of bacteria which perform oxygenic photosynthesis. No. Thiobacillus, it's a group of bacteria which are chemoautotrophs. And if they are chemoautotrophs, they are autotrophic but not photosynthetic. They do not use light energy to synthesize their own food. Second one, can reduce soil nitrates to gaseous nitrogen. It is true because they help in denitrification. What is denitrification? When the nitrates of the soil are converted into atmospheric nitrogen, this is denitrification, which can be carried out by Thiobacillus. Third one, they are purple sulfur bacteria. No, purple sulfur bacteria are photosynthetic. Thiobacillus, it is chemoautotrophic. Fourth one, they obtain nourishment from organic remains. No, they are chemoautotrophic, not the heterotrophic. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move to the next question. Question number 110. Which of the following elements is involved in functioning of the cell membrane and pollen germination? For pollen germination and the functioning of cell membrane, the element which is involved is boron. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move to the next question.